Righto, what we've got here are the remains of the seat. Going back, I'd say, to the original seat. This is the seat back. Looks like some sort of fibre, coconut fibre or horsehair or something there. But it's just all fallen to pieces. That's the bottom and the side, the back of the seat back over there, and the front part of the seat back. It's all looking pretty horrible and nothing to be reclaimed there, obviously, apart from the frame, which also did have a bit of rust on it. Yeah, but we'll turn all that into something new. This is the old Dunlop pillow seat bun, and the piece of some sort of covering that went over it. This would be the original piece that way back from the mid-1950s, late 1950s. I'll just turn that over so you can get a better look at the other side. Okay, there's the top part of that, all looking fairly tragic really. So there's one seat, or the remains thereof, but we'll have all that all renewed. So what we've got here is the new seat base, all cut out of 12mm ply, and the little riser part, the only bit we managed to retain were the black bases, which were okay. So here I'm just doing a mock-up of a foam seat bun. This won't be used, I'm just having a little practice here out of some old foam, and I think this is going to work out okay. Although it looks a bit rough there, but there'll be another piece glued straight across the top of that rough cut. You really need a big hot wire to cut that foam properly. I've just done it with a foam cutter. But anyway, I think once there's another piece glued over the top of it, it'll all look nice and tidy.